Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm out here with Raven. I got it right behind me. As you guys saw from the little intro I did, she just got washed by Hallstar. They're the ones who washed and detailed my Scatpack. Well, really, they washed it, cleaned it, vacuumed it, all that. So I took Raven up there today to get her washed because she was extremely dirty. But we're about to hop in, guys, on this one. What I want to talk about is whether or not YouTube is really worth doing. That's some questions that I get about it, you know, whether if it's beneficial, you know, to start doing a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna hop in, guys, and then we're gonna talk about it, so stay tuned. All right, so like I said, guys, let's talk about it. Whether or not YouTube is really worth starting. I would say this: if you're looking to get into YouTube, don't think you're just gonna jump out there, post some videos, and, you know, start making money. Because what I've learned from this whole experience is it takes a lot longer than what you think to actually get established and to actually generate money on your channel. Like I said, I had this YouTube channel for a year and a half, I think. Yeah, about a year and a half almost. And I just got monetized maybe a month and some change ago. But even saying that, I still have yet to receive money from YouTube. And I set everything up, you know, my bank account is set up to it, so it'll make deposits, whatever. And I haven't received anything. But when you start a YouTube channel, you gotta think about not only, you know, your content and all that, just think about your expenses. Every time I take my car out, I'm obviously burning gas. And like I told you guys, I don't really care about gas with my car or whatever, but we're looking at it for YouTube purposes. Every time you take your vehicle out to events, whatever, you're burning gas, so that's more money that you got put into your car. You're putting wear and tear on your car, so things can wear out. There'll be more, you know, maintenance that you got to do to your car instead of your normal day-to-day driving. So you're putting out a lot of money, and you're not gonna get that much in return. I get it. Like, some of these other channels that I follow, they boomed to where as though they got, you know, thousands and thousands of subscribers. They get, you know, 5, 10, 20, 30,000 views on one of their vlogs. But me, my channel's small. I got a couple thousand subscribers. I get a couple thousand views. You know, some of them I get 5. I got one that's 20. Most of my views around 1,000, 1,500, all that. That's not gonna cut it as far as, you know, generate money for your channel. It is not gonna cut it. So that's why I say be careful. Like I said, just jumping out there thinking you're gonna just take over the world with your YouTube channel, because it's not like that. Like, the money is not gonna flow how you think it's gonna flow. Now, if you jump out there and you have a good channel to where as though like you're doing, I don't know, some funny stuff, or you know, with your car stuff, you're freaking going crazy, you know, burnouts, donuts, swinging, racing, all that, your channel is going to jump off a lot quicker than, let's say, a person like me who do you know, modifications to the car, showing you about the car, telling you how it is, you know, going out to some car meets, shows when this thing, when this Corona thing slows down. You know, I get out to meets where they do the swinging and whatever, but my channel is like slower than those other channels, because I'm not out there racing everybody and, you know, just doing dumb stuff in my Hellcat. I mean, this is a crazy expensive car, and I'm not gonna be out there, you know, acting a fool in it, you know, so something can happen to it, you know, I break something. I'm just not for it. So my channel, now this is me we're talking about, I'm not talking about any other channel. My channel has grown slower than, like I said, a channel where people gonna go crazy on, and I understand that. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, man, first of all, come up with whatever type of content you want to do, and that's gonna help you generate the most money you can, whether it's, you know, cars, comedy, sports, whatever. Just make sure you have a well thought out plan on how you can make your channel grow. I'm gonna pull over right here. How you can make your channel grow at a quick rate, because that's the best way to start really generating money into your channel. Mine is growing at a okay rate right now, but it's gonna start booming. You know, once I get out there, I start meeting more YouTubers, getting exposure to their subscribers, they get exposed to mine. We bouncing off each other. We can do different things, you know, as far as the ideas and everything for the channels. So that will make my channel grow faster. So have a good solid plan on what you try to bring to the table, you know, what type of content and everything. And make sure you have steps of what you're gonna do. Like, I want to get into another vlog, because I'm going to do another vlog talking about, you know, what level vehicle you should start with if you're doing a YouTube channel. That's my next vlog. So on this one, I don't want to dive too much into that. Like I said, have a good starting point, and make sure you vlog everything related to your channel. So whatever, if I'm doing freaking gold digger videos, I'm gonna record every vlog about gold diggers, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna go out and keep pumping it out, keep pumping it out, keep recording. So I have a stash of, you know, different skits, sketches, whatever you want to call them, you know, as far as that. So what you don't want to do is start running dry. That's what I'm saying. So you want to be ahead. Like, I was ahead at first with my vlogs, so whereas though I could drop them on my normal schedule and didn't really have to worry about it. But as you guys have seen recently, I'm behind with my vlogs, so I can only drop them when I drop them. I can only record when I record. You know, with the whole transitioning from over there to here, you know, it pretty much screwed up my timeline, and now my days are different. So it's like, I'm gonna try to keep doing what I gotta do to get ahead, but it might take me a little bit. It might take me like a week or two, you know, to get everything going to where so I'm up maybe 2-3 vlogs. Like, I'm ahead, so I could drop them on a regular scheduled time, and I can keep recording, you know, on my days off to stay ahead. But long story short, man, I mean, I'm kind of going off topic, but YouTube is what you're gonna make it, man. some people do it and they just boom, and then, you know, they could quit their job and just vlog every day. I'm nowhere near that point, and I like too much stuff to give up my daily job, like my job. So I'm not trying to do that. But if I had 200,000 subscribers or something, maybe I could, you know, stop working and just mainly focus on YouTube. Because, you know, it's a good way to make money. But another thing with YouTube that people don't understand is, like, it's not a guaranteed set amount of money. Like, you know what I mean? That's why people constantly drop different vlogs, like either every day, every 3 days, 2 days, whatever. It's because you might get some hits, you might get some duds. Like, it seemed like when I post about my 392 Scat Pack, obviously I don't get as much love as I would with my Hellcat. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, the channel's called Hellcat TV. A lot of you tune in just to see the Hellcat. But I have the Scat Pack because I have a lot of people who have Scat Packs, and, you know, they like my content too. So that's why I try to give you guys both. But, you know, like I said, you gotta make sure that another way that you can make sure that you're okay with what you're dropping is subscribe to other channels that's in your area, I guess, of your target area, if that's what you want to call it. So I follow a lot of people like, you know, Hemi Life, YouTube at a Budget, Life of Corey, Street Speed, Tall Guy, Mr. Organic, Living with Mozzie, 622 Hellcat. Like, I follow so many, or I'm subscribed to so many of those channels. You can look at some of their videos and you can get some ideas where you want to take your next vlog or your next video. And that's a good way to do it. And it keeps you up and current with everything. Like I said in the last vlog, you know, the whole new wave is wide body Hellcats. So there's nothing wrong with that. You know, people gonna start pumping out crazy content with these wide body Hellcats, especially when that red eye drop. So people gonna really be going crazy. Me, I want to try to get this to where as though I can meet up with whoever has a Charger red eye, and obviously we're gonna line them up and we're gonna do what we got to do. We're gonna see which one is faster, obviously, but by then I should have mine you know, beefed up a little bit. So I'm not gonna go straight at them like, you know, stock for stock. I gotta beef my car up a little bit just so we can make it competitive. So can't wait for that. But the opportunities are endless with that. So like I said, man, just have a plan. Like, I didn't have a plan with YouTube. I just was like, hey, I'm just gonna pick up this camera and I'm just record what I love. Like, my cars, I love them. I want to show people what I got and what I did to the car, you know, give them ideas, whatever. But now I'm starting to look more at it like, okay, I'll do this vlog, I'll do this, and keep it going like that. So that's why when I do my vlogs, it's in steps, if you get what I'm saying. And that's how you should look at it. Like, if you just picked up a brand new Scat Pack, you know, and you want to start a channel, you know, make sure you have the steps that you want to take to build your car and things you want to do with your car, and make sure you record and vlog all of it. You know what I mean? Just so it doesn't matter. You put a new front lip on it, vlog it. You put a new some new floor mats, vlog it. You know what I mean? Obviously, when you vlog it, you're gonna talk about other things. You're gonna put some, I ain't gonna say fluff in it, but you're gonna make it so you have a good amount of time in your videos, your vlogs. And speaking of that, what I noticed is, and nobody's gonna tell you this about vlogging, man. You gotta find it out on your own, or you gotta seek the knowledge from other people, because nobody's just gonna tell you off rip. But what it seems like with YouTube is you have to be, I want to say around 13 minutes. 15 minutes is the magic number. That's why you guys see a lot of my vlogs, like, they're kind of long, And I know a lot of you skip through it, you only watch about 7-8 minutes, whatever. But that's the magic number when it comes to your ads and your ad placement. I hate when I put a video in there under that time, like under 13 minutes. But I just wanted to get some content out to you guys, so that's why I did it. But I don't want to oversaturate my videos with just fluff, you know, just to bore you or whatever, just to reach that time limit. But make sure your videos are at least, I think, about 13 minutes. It's good for your ads. And another thing people don't tell you about is how to properly tag your videos. Like I said in one of my other vlogs, if you want to know, add me on Instagram, DM me, and ask me how to properly tag your videos. Because for the longest time, I did not know how to properly tag my videos, so I wasn't getting that many views and nobody was really interacting on my channel. But now I have a better understanding, and as you see from my vlogs, I'm getting up there in the hundreds and the thousands of views. So like I said, add me on Instagram. I'll hook you up and tell you how to do it. But long story short on this one, the main topic of this was whether or not I think it's, you know, good or smart, wise, or if it's worth starting a YouTube channel. And I would say overall, yes, it is worth it. But have this understanding that it is gonna be a marathon. It is not gonna be a sprint. You're not just gonna jump out there and make a bunch of money. It is gonna go slow. It's gonna be days where you wanna give up and be like, I don't wanna do this no more. It ain't worth it. Blah, blah, blah. Like, but you just gotta do it, man. You just gotta push through it. Like, you gotta trust in yourself. You know, trust in what you putting out there to the people for them to like, and hopefully you get where you want to be, man. I'm not gonna stop. The vlogs may slow down to where as though I'm vlogging once, twice a week, or whatever. It just all depends on this work schedule I got, and you know how much I'm working and everything. But I'm gonna keep putting out vlogs, and like I said, some of them gonna hit, some of them not, but we're gonna see. I have, like, this is a business for me. This is like, I have a registered business, you know, Hellcat TV, with an EIN number, all that. So this is a business for me, and I want to see where I can take it within the next, you know what I mean, couple years, whatever. So I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm getting a lot of feedback from you guys, a lot of support, so that motivates me. And if you're looking to start a channel, man, you're gonna get the same thing, man, when you put the effort and the work in. Like, some people gonna catch on. It's not for everybody. Whatever you put out ain't gonna be for everybody, but there will be people who will support you. They'll like what you're doing, they'll engage with you, and it'll keep you going, man. So I hope you guys get so just gonna wrap this one up, guys, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was some kind of knowledge or give you a good idea whether or not you should do it. If you got anything else you want to ask me, anything, just drop a comment down below and I'll respond to you. I'm not one of those YouTubers who don't respond to the comments. I will respond to any questions you have down below in the comment section. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.